Right now I'd like to explain to you about the capability of this machine to be a 16-track studio. And that's essentially what this is. If you look here, I'm going to show you all the different tracks we can play with. There's 16 of them, and each one can be assigned a different instrument. That allows me to create any sound, any combination of sounds, and any types of rhythms. To give you an example, this is something I did before. The song is called Sunny, and I wrote it by doing the chords like we did using MIDI, changing the chords around, but that time I recorded the chord changes. Now this is what it sounds like without the melody line, which allows me to play the melody line on another keyboard or to sing the song, which I do. So it's changing chords by itself. And it has all the fills and changes that I need. Later on in the song, it becomes a little bit more vibrant because I recorded it that way so that the song has an actual escalation of excitement and then the ending. That's how that works. It's fun.